Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. More track and field now, as the majority of Jamaica's team members who had stayed back in Nairobi, Kenya after the conclusion of the World Under-20 Athletics Championships returned to the island on Thursday. Here's Spencer Darlington.
9 Jamaican athletes who had tested positive for COVID-19 were unable to travel home with the rest of the Jamaican delegation after the World Under-20 Championships ended in Nairobi on August 22. However, all of the athletes subsequently returned negative COVID-19 results and were given clearance to return home. 3 athletes and a team physician, Dr. Marlon Reed, arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport on Thursday morning, while 2 more athletes and head coach David Riley arrived Thursday afternoon. Dr. Reed told TVJ Sports the athletes handled the situation quite well.
Athletes, I have to say that I thank them for their mental toughness. I know that quarantine can have some psychological impact on us. We had a group and we ensured that we were speaking to them daily. I'm really grateful that none of them had any severe symptoms and all of them have recovered, and others have already departed for school in the United States. This is the second cohort. There's only 1 athlete remaining with the other doctor in Kenya, and they are scheduling their itinerary to arrive.
The remaining athlete and the team doctor still in Nairobi are due home on Saturday. Among the athletes arriving on Thursday were quarter-milers Shemar Yuta and Onika Makanoff, along with sprint hurdler Onika Wilson.
Challenging would be an understatement. Isolation is not very easy. Waking up seeing the same 4 walls every day and testing and retesting and still getting positive results is not an easy thing, but the doctors and management team who stayed back, they really helped out a lot.
I made the final, but I was unable to run because I had tested positive. That was really hard. I trained a long season. I was disappointed, yes, but I have another season. Next year, I'm capable again, so just put in the work and see what happens.
Made the finals and didn't get to run was a big disappointment for me. Was expecting to get a medal, but I have an next chance next year, so train hard and do what I have to do.
3 of the Jamaican athletes who had stayed back in Kenya have traveled to the United States to take up track scholarships. Jamaica garnered 11 medals, 3 gold, 6 silver and 2 bronze to finish 5th on the medal table in Kenya. The 2022 World Under-20 Championships are slated to be held in Cali, Colombia. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.